Hello, good morning. Welcome to this class. This is teacher Jacob, and the class for today is vocabulary class. So, activity one is listen and repeat. Well, just repeat, okay? I just want us you repeat after me, okay? And then you're gonna repeat one by one, okay? So repeat. Ways. Can you repeat that, please? Ways. Hello, is anybody there? Hello, can you hear me? Okay, now it's time to repeat pet. All right, lovers, lovers, yes. Inch, itch. No, I'm sorry, itch, itch, itch. Yeah, need. No, just I know it's complicated because there are a lot of students. So you're gonna listen first, and then we go individual. Okay, so let's go. Just start again, but just slow. You're gonna listen only. Okay, so ways, pet, pet, lowers, each, need, need, scratch, consider, climbing, climbing, commit, commit. Listen. Furniture, furniture. Listen first. Furniture, furniture. How long? One moment. Furniture. I got it here. Furniture. Require, require, require. Virgin, wedging. Stay, tail, tail. Health, health. Still, on, on in, care, care, keeping, great, lifestyle, trouble, quiet, yard, chasing, whole, breathe, breathe, loose, hair, bark, bark, ladi, lodi, dish, dish, less, less, honor, honor, choice, choice, comfortable, 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 boring, boring, alone, shelter, shelter, need, start, walk, swim, sleep, climb, fly, chat, clean, sit, jump, run, parrot, easy, easily, improves, expensive, expensive, cheap, snake, spider, lizard, lizard, reason, suggest, give, rabbit, rabbit, hate, enjoy, feeding, hiding, cage, crocodile, elephant, lion, bear, monkey, bird, rat, bat, fly, arrive, collect, small, large, speaker, with, food, trains, life, size, weight, lifespan, can, sense, speed, carefully, fruit, vegetables, garbage, however, shy. All right. And hello, no more. Oh my God, there are more. Meet, build, build, find, river. Okay, just let's start from because there are too many. So you know this. So as I told you, the idea is that you look at the dictionary if you don't understand, or let me see here, or here no. Some words are similar, what I discovered here. So let's go to these words are the words that you already know. Remember, at the end of the year, you need to make your own dictionary and also you need to pronounce. You need to say, you need to pronounce each word. So where we are here, oh, let me see. Oh, here. All right. So this is what I want. I need one student repeat alone. Yes, for example, let's start Baracaldo. Juan Camilo Baracaldo. You need to say 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. Okay. So now Baracaldo, you can you Baracaldo, are you there? Baracaldo. Okay, let's go to he's out. Okay, let's go here right here. He's out. Okay, Baracaldo. Santiago Bernal Cuervo. Are you there? Please repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat this. Perfect. Perfect. Yes, good. Very good. Perfect. Yes, very good. Perfect. Neat. Perfect. Okay. Now let's go to Johann Sebastian Cacais. 5 words, Cacais. It's your turn. 1, 2, 3, go. Scratch, scratch. Yes, yes, it is. Mm-mm. Climbing. Clack, clack, clack. Repeat. Perfect. Yes. Commit. Yes. Hold, hold up. Hold up. One moment. Yes. Furniture. Perfect. Yes, it is true. That's true. Now, let's go with Valeria. Valeria Diaz. Valeria Diaz. Valeria Diaz. Now it's your turn. You repeat five. Okay, let's go with this. Repeat. No. Require. Require. Yes. Virgin. Yes. Virgin. Repeat. Yes. Virgin. All right. This. Yes. Tail. Very good. And this, the last one. What? Repeat. No. Health. Hey, hey, hey. Health. Health. In English, H is similar J. H igual J. Health. Health. Okay, repeat. Valeria, repeat. Yes, perfect. Very good. Okay, good. Maria Alejandra Escobar. Maria Alejandra Escobar, are you there? Now it's your turn. Now, pronounce, please. Yes. Yes, on in. Yes. All right. This. Yes. Yes. Very good. And this. Repeat. Yes. Great. Very good, Alejandra. Very good. And Josue Daniel Marin. All right. Ready, Marin? All right. Let's start. This. Repeat. Perfect. Yes. Trouble. Trouble. Yes. No. Quiet. Quiet. Be quiet. Quiet. Okay. Quiet. And this. Yes. And this. Repeat. Chasing. Chasing. Yes. Chasing. All right. So let's go with Kevin Andres Martinez. Ready, Kevin? Kevin. Kevin. Help, Mr. Kevin. Kevin Andres. Kevin Andres Martinez is now here. Kevin is out. Okay, I'm writing here is out. All right, so Juan Jose Quinche. Juan Jose, now it's your turn. Repeat. Hold. Yes. Repeat. Breathe. Yes, breathe. Yes.